Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a video like a TV frame in a Videoleap. If you guys are using Videoleap, so you can watch this video and you can learn how to edit like a TV frame. Okay, let's start now. Open your Videoleap, and then here I already upload the TV frame image here. You can use directly that tapping on this plus button, and in the first you should have a videos to add on this TV frame. So you can add the videos very well. I'm going to upload videos that I already have that video. I have here video to add on a TV screen. I have this video. I'm going to zoom in this video a little bit. This is really looking nice. And then tap on this video, tap here a moment, then you will see like this, and drag over the TV frame photos, and you will see like this, and select that video and tap with the two finger on it on the screen and zoom in. You can do like this. Set this very well with the TV frame. You will see like this. You can set very well, but it takes a little bit more time. And then here I have a little bit long video. For that I need to have a TV frame image here. Then I'm going to tap on the TV frame photo, then I'm going to duplicate these photos. So click here on a duplicate. Again, I need more frame here. I need more frame here. I need more frame here. More frame. More frame. You can make many more duplicate photos, images, everything. And here you can split and remove the rest of the frame. Okay, here you can see now it's really beautiful. And let's see, play these videos. Yeah guys, you can make like this on your Videoleap apps. You can use different kind of TV frame images you can find on Google Chrome, and you can make like this a very good videos. Thank you for the watching.